I think that Chicago Fire Protection has a great understanding of what it takes to get the job completed. A lot of times the job sites are forever changing. There's aspects in construction, inevitable challenges that everybody meets. We possess those tools to overcome those inevitable challenges and make sure the job still gets done on time. So Chicago Fire Protection has a couple different elements to it. You know, we are a fire sprinkler contractor, but also we have a sister company called CFP Life Safety Systems, which is a fire alarm contracting company. To have the ability to test fire sprinkler systems and fire alarm systems at the same time, both being signatory with 281 and 134 electricians, is a huge benefit. You get a very thorough test and inspection of that system, and you ensure that those life safety systems are performing as they should.
Our fitters on staff are hands down the top of the top in Local 281. Most of my fitters here have 20 to 30 years in the trade, top-notch guys.
I cannot express my gratitude enough for the employees that we have here at Chicago Fire Protection. I don't think that we would have the success we've had without all their hard work and dedication. I think craftsmanship and workmanship, especially in this industry, is very, very important. All of our guys are trained per Local 281 sprinkler fitters or IBEW Local 134 electricians. They've all completed a very intensive 5-year apprenticeship program that allows them to have the skills, the know-how, and ultimately the needed training to complete the work as it's supposed to be done. Chicago Fire Protection is NISAT Level 3 certified. We do have in-house engineering. Per the state of Illinois requirements to have a fire sprinkler contracting license, you do have to have a NISAT Level 3 engineer on staff. We pride ourselves on our engineering department. They do a phenomenal job. They are NISAT Level 3 certified. And we have the capability of doing design builds, stamping our owner drawings, submitting them to authorities having jurisdictions for approval and permit. Chicago Fire Protection is a veteran-owned small business. It means a lot to me. It's nice that they recognize veterans who are trying to start their own businesses and have small businesses. The VOSB certification is a pretty thorough process that you go through with the state of Illinois. Once certified, you get to bid on government work, and some projects are required to utilize the veteran-owned small businesses. It's a pretty unique certification. There's not that many veteran-owned small businesses in the construction field. So it's a good certification to have, and it's nice that the state recognizes veterans trying to start small businesses and create jobs for others. I think one aspect that makes us an asset to our clients is our dependability. At the end of the day, no matter what has to happen, we make sure we get the job done. We understand that not only are we trying to keep our clients happy, but even more importantly, our clients have clients. And the work that's being performed for the tenant or the owner of the building, whatever the case may be, we want to make sure that those people are also happy and the deadlines are met.
Well, we're going to do everything we can to satisfy the customer at the end of the day. Whatever it takes to get the job done and appease the client, that's what we're willing to do.
When you understand that these life safety systems are the mechanism and means of putting out any life danger, and these systems are in schools, they're in hospitals, they're in high rises, they're in residential areas. We take it very serious that our product, our job, is to make sure that in the event of a fire, that fire will get put out directly by what we're doing, and potentially a life can be saved. I can't tell you how many times you hear a story about a fire going off in a building and a sprinkler head popping and putting the fire out, and because of that, X amount of tenants are saved, or the fire alarm sounded the alarm of a fire and everybody was able to get out of the building safe. That's what our guys take with when they go to work. They understand the severity of our job and making sure that it gets done right the first time. I think legacy is very important to my partner and I. Joe and I have put a lot of time and sacrifice into making sure this company goes and is successful. On the flip side of that, I can't thank our wives enough. Joe's wife Sarah, my wife Mel, my mother and father-in-law, my family that has all put forth their best effort to make this family-oriented and family-ran and operated company be successful. It's just a total package of our fitters, our staff, our team, our families. Everyone comes together to make this thing go, and really we've been very successful at it together as a team.